What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's M3Craft here, and today guys I'm going to do an unboxing of two products that I got from PlayVital. So a big thank you for PlayVital that sent me those products. When they contact me, they give me the opportunity for me to actually choose the products of what they have on the website. I will leave the link on the description below guys, that you can see they have a lot of accessories for Nintendo Switch, for PlayStation, Xbox, and they are really cool. They are really cool designs, because the one that I choose, this is a case cover for the Nintendo Switch, and this is a cable, so that is the charging cable, but is a RGB charging cable. What I was like, wow, that looks really cool, especially when seeing all the colors on the picture, and my colors, you know, like the bluish, reddish, and I was like, oh, I want to get that. So basically that you can use it on the PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and well, in this case PlayStation 5, because of the USB-C, to charge your controller, and to connect as well with the Switch. But this one is the case, so this case as well I can wait it to see. And a good thing is that has the grips just under the Joy-Cons, what makes a huge difference when you are playing with your console away from home. Most of the time I have my Nintendo Switch connected to my dock, but when I'm going away somewhere and I take it with me, it's much better to actually have some volume under the Joy-Cons. Otherwise it's going to be really uncomfortable after an hour, I would say. Because when I was playing the first time with the Nintendo Switch, when I went to bed, I was like, let me play a little bit. And to be honest, a while you are just even sitting or just lying down and playing is not comfortable for the hands. And that's the reason why I got that cover that I was sharing with you guys before, and this one has as well the volume that grips under the cover. So yeah, so let's have a look. As I said, thank you so much for PlayVital that sent me that. I'm not getting paid for me to do this review. That is going to be based on my own opinion, my words. Yeah, let's have a look. As I said, the links of those products as well, these two, this particular two, I will leave as well on the description below, and the main link for the website that you guys can check out, because has really cool products, I have to say. So let's start the unboxing. So here it is, the cable. So you can see has USB, a normal USB in one side, and the USB-C on the other side. So see, let me just start from opening on the top. Here the case, that's the bottom, and that's so cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. So now I just need to mount it on the Nintendo Switch. I have my Nintendo Switch just over here. It comes like with the gamer manual. So basically, is congrats becoming the gaming changer. This is the user guide for this product.
and some wipes that should be for the screen, and some other things that I need to have a look what are they for. That's why you have the user guide, but that's for sure is for the joysticks. That is obvious. This is definitely obvious. All the rest, that is for the Joy-Cons. So that has like a slightly grip so that it will be more comfortable when putting them on. But let's find out. I will just install it and I will show it once it's already on it.
Okay guys, so I just changed already the cover, the one that I had on my Nintendo Switch, and I just put the new one, and it looks really cool. Honestly, it's really easy to attach. I just put, because that it comes with some like really thin stickers that you just need to put it, especially on this one over here. I just put some of the tape because I don't want to use that stickers at the moment, because to be honest, the reason why as well I choose this design, it's because I would like to give it to my niece, because she got the Nintendo Switch recently and she's 6 years old. She's going to love this one over here. But yeah, let me just show you more like close up so you can see. And let me just try to, you can see the cover, like the back. You see that has a slightly volume over here, see? And so that is the front, just the top. You have as well the other parts that will go here, so I didn't put it on. And this is how it looks in the front side. So is a little bit with some fingerprints, but it's normal, well, with the screen. So yeah, looks really cool. Honestly, it feels good. I actually like to see like with the black buttons, for example, but you have all the colors, like the red, yellow, green and blue. You can just use them, because I have them just over here. So see, so that is for the buttons. Let me just put the microphone a bit lower. But feels good, definitely feels good, and definitely that is what you want, because you want to feel comfortable. You want to feel comfortable if you are playing with the Nintendo Switch, because I'm sure that a lot of you have exactly the same opinion. If you own a Nintendo Switch, after a while your hands they start getting tired, and you start just like you need to stop. And to be honest, when you have the grips, it makes a huge difference. But it looks awesome. I love the design, I love the quality. I can see that is a proper quality with the cover that they sent me, like the products from PlayVital. So yeah, well done guys, well done PlayVital, for actually this product. And the other one is already here, by the way. I need probably to put the light off, trying to make it a little bit dark. The thing is, it might be because of like the camera sometimes, because it changes the color. I had to attach the extension, because from the distance that I'm recording, this cable wouldn't reach out, because it's not too long, because this is a meter. Yeah, this is a meter. So, but it looks really cool. So you can see there is definitely like the colors just changing. Leo is actually enjoying. So definitely this was the best way, just like filming with my phone, for you guys to have a perception how it looks like. Because to be honest, like when pointing to this camera, it's just because of the settings that I have and because of the filters that I have. It's just like when it's the color grading, it changes a little bit, but somehow it might not be noticeable on the cable, so it was better to do this individual video. If you will be interested in any of those that I was showing, this particular cover that I was showing to you guys, and this particular cable, the links they are on the description below. You can just click on them and you can just order one for you. But as well, you have plenty of different designs on the website. Just have a look. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you still didn't subscribe my channel and you would like, just push that red button just below, and if you push the bell, you will be all the time notified when I upload these kind of videos or when I'm going live. Any questions, guys, leave a comment and I will be more than happy to reply to you all. So see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Peace out.